The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro is a premium smartphone that pushes the boundaries with its unique retractable portrait camera, flagship-level chipset, and stylish design. It offers a well-rounded package with high-end performance, a smooth display, and a large battery. Let's take a closer look at its design, display, performance, cameras, battery life, and overall experience. The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro boasts a premium design with a curved glass back and an aluminum frame, giving it a sleek and high-end feel. One of its standout features is the retractable portrait camera, which adds a futuristic touch while maintaining a slim profile. The phone is available in unique color options, including an eco-friendly variant made from recycled materials. The curved edges and matte finish provide a comfortable grip and reduce fingerprint smudges. While the device lacks an official IP rating for water and dust resistance, the solid build quality and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front enhance durability. The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and fluid animations. The FHD+ 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making it great for media consumption and gaming. With Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, the display is more resistant to scratches and minor drops. The curved edges add a premium touch, enhancing the immersive viewing experience. However, while brightness levels are decent for indoor use, outdoor visibility under direct sunlight could be better compared to flagship competitors. The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, a 4nm flagship processor that delivers impressive performance. With its Cortex-X2 Prime core clocked at 3.05 GHz, it ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and efficient power consumption. The Mali G710MC10 GPU handles gaming well, allowing for high settings in demanding games like PUBG and Genshin Impact without noticeable lag or overheating. The chipset also supports 5G connectivity, improving network speeds and efficiency. The highlight of the Phantom X2 Pro is its 50MP retractable portrait camera, which offers professional-level bokeh with a 2.5x optical zoom. The main 50MP sensor captures sharp and detailed shots, while the 13MP ultra-wide camera provides decent field of view. The 32MP front camera produces detailed and well-exposed selfies. Portrait mode is impressive, with good edge detection. However, in low-light conditions, noise is noticeable. It can record 1080p videos, but lack of 4K might disappoint vloggers. The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro comes with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free performance, even when handling demanding apps or gaming. The 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage provides ample space for apps, media, and large files while delivering fast read/write speeds for quicker app loading and system responsiveness. However, there is no microSD card slot, meaning storage expansion isn't an option. The Tecno Phantom X2 Pro is equipped with a 5160 mAh battery, providing all-day battery life for moderate to heavy users. Thanks to its power-efficient Dimensity 9000 chipset and optimized software, the device manages power consumption well, allowing for extended screen-on time. Whether gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the phone can easily last a full day on a single charge. The 45W fast charging support ensures that the battery can be recharged quickly, reaching around 50% in just 20 minutes and a full charge in under an hour. However, wireless charging is not available, which might be a downside for some users. Pros: powerful Dimensity 9000 chipset for smooth performance. Unique retractable 50MP portrait camera. Premium curved AMOLED 120Hz display. Strong battery life with 45W fast charging. Eco-friendly design, some variants. Cons: no wireless charging. No official IP rating, water and dust resistance. No HDR10+ support on the display. Conclusion: the Tecno Phantom X2 Pro is a bold step into the flagship category, offering great performance, a unique retractable camera, and a premium design. While it lacks some high-end features like wireless charging and an official IP rating, it delivers impressive value for those looking for a powerful and stylish smartphone with a focus on portrait photography.